Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your AVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? Yes, our lesson 5, how do families eat? In that, we finished our teaching part. Teaching part we finished. Today, we are going to discuss the workbook part. Okay? Go on, bring your workbooks. Pencil, sharpener, eraser, everything, and open your workbook. Page number, yes, page number 20. How do families eat? Yes, today we are going to do this workbook part. In that page number 20, you have to open. Okay, children, I will give you 1 minute time. Go and bring your workbooks. Yes, sharp your pencil, eraser, keep it with you everything. Yes, first question. What is the first question? W-H-A-T, what? D-O, do. W-E-V, C-A-L-L, call. T-H-E, the. M-E-A-L, meal. W-E-V, H-A-B-E, have. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. A-F-T-E-R, after. N-O-O-N, noon. What do we call the meal we have in the afternoon? Afternoon we are having the meal. So that meal what do we call? Down options are there. A. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast, breakfast. B. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. C. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. D. S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. So afternoon meal what do we call? Breakfast? No. Morning breakfast we are eating. Yes. Afternoon what we are having? Option B, lunch. We call it as lunch. What are the other options? See, dinner. Dinner at what time we will eat? Night. Night food what we will eat? We will call it as dinner. What about snacks? We will eat the snacks in the evening time. Yes. So what is the option there? Afternoon what do we call that meal? We called it as lunch. We called it as lunch. So write down the first question answer is B. In that bracket you have to write B. What is that one? We call that afternoon meal is lunch. L-U-N-C-H, lunch we call it. Write down, children. So here in this bracket you have to write B. Next. M-E-M-B-E-R-S, members. O-F, of. K-U-N-A-L-S, Kunals. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Z-O, go. O-U-T, out. T-O-2. W-O-R-K, work. Members of Kunal's family go out to work. E-A-R-L-Y, early. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Members of Kunal's family go out to work early in the morning. T-H-E-Y, they. C-O-M-E, come. B-A-C-K, back. L-A-T-A, late. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. F-O-R, for. W-H-I-C-H, which. M-E-A-L, meal. W-O-U-L-D, wood. T-H-E-Y, they. S-I-T, sit. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Members of Kunal's family go out to work early in the morning. Early in the morning, they will go. Listen, children. Early in the morning, they will go to work. So they come back late in the evening. For which meal would they sit together? So which meal, children? Yes, A, lunch. Morning they will go for work. So lunch, is it possible? No. So they come back at late in the evening. So dinner? Yes, it is dinner. So in the evening they will come back and they can eat the dinner with the family members together. What is the C option? Breakfast. Breakfast early in the morning they will go. So how can they eat the breakfast? Breakfast also not possible. So all of these, no. So evening, late in the evening they will come. So which meal they will eat together? Dinner. So what is the option here? Second one is also option B, that is dinner. DINNER. So which lesson workbook part we are doing? Lesson 5. How do families eat? How do families eat? So this lesson workbook part you have to do. So this is the first question and this is the second question. Next, third, fill in the blanks using the correct word from the brackets. Down in the brackets he gave the answer, so you have to write that correct word. What is the third question? Usually, 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 at DINNER, dinner, TIME, time, dinner time, dash, SHARE, share, WHAT, what, HAPPENED, happened, what happened, at SCHOOL, school, during the day, DURING, during, THE, the, DAY, day. So he gave the options also. PARENTS, parents, or CHILDREN, children. Listen carefully, children. Usually at dinner time, dinner at what time you will do? Night. Last night, what the meal you are eating, we call it as dinner. Dinner time. Dash, share. What happened at school during the day? Daytime you will go to the school? Yes. Who will go to the school? What happened at school during the day? Who will share? Parents or children? Your parents will go to the school and they will learn. Then who will go to the school and who will share the things what happened at school during daytime? Who will go? Children will go. Who will go? Children will go. So what is the answer here? You have to write children. Write down children with good handwriting only. CHILDREN. Children. Yes, again I am repeating the answer. CHILDREN. Children. Next question. Fourth one. WEEAT, eat, we eat, dash, in THE, the, we eat, dash, in the, MORNING, morning. WEEAT, eat, dash, in THE, the, MORNING, morning. Down, options are there. BREAK, break, FAST, breakfast, or LUNCH, lunch. So we eat, dash, in the morning. Morning, what you will eat? Options, breakfast or lunch. What you will eat, children? You will eat breakfast or lunch in the morning. Afternoon, what we will eat? We called it as lunch. So morning, what we will eat? We called it as breakfast. What it is? Breakfast. So what is the answer? Here, this is the answer. Breakfast. Write down in the blank, children. BREAKFAST. K, break. F-A-S-T, breakfast. Write down neatly with good handwriting in your workbooks. Write down fast, children. Then we will go for the next question. I will repeat these answers again. First question, what do we call the meal we have in the afternoon? What do that meal we call it as afternoon? Lunch. Next one is, members of Kunal family go out for work early in the morning. They will come late in the evening. So which meal they will eat with all family members? Dinner. B, dinner they will eat. Usually at dinner time, dash share about what happened at school during the day. Who will share? Children or parent? Who will go to the school? Children only. Children will go to the school. Next, we eat dash in the morning. Morning, what we will eat? Breakfast or lunch? Morning we will eat breakfast. What we will eat? Breakfast. Note down, children. Next, finished? Otherwise pause the video, then you can write. But write with good handwriting only. Next, fifth question. Yes. What is the fifth question, children? Read it out. Yes. Read the fifth question. W-I-T-H, with W-H-O-M, whom. D-O, do. W-E, we. M-O-S-T, we most. O-F-T-E-N, often. H-A-V-E, have. O-U-R, our. M-E-A-L-S, meals. With whom do we have most often have our meals? With whom we will eat our meals most oftenly, repeatedly? Yes, morning breakfast we will do in the house only, in the home with your family members. Evening dinner, evening snacks, night dinner, all these we can eat with our family members only. If you are going out for the work or to study, you will eat lunch only at outside. Remaining all the time you can spend with your family. So what is the answer? With whom do we most often have our meals? Tell me, children, what is the answer? Yes. Family. Answer is family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Yes, with our family we have our meal very often. Next, second question. Fifth over, sixth question. Write down, children. Write down fast. Then we will read the sixth question. W-H-A-T, what? D-O, do. What? D-O, do. W-E, we. E-A-T, eat. I-N, in. THE, the. EVENING, evening. What do we eat in the evening? Evening, what you will eat? What your mother will give to you? Evening, what we are eating, we can call it as snacks. What we can call it as snacks. So what do we eat in the evening, children? Tell me. SNACKS, snacks. Write down. Write down fast, children. Next I am going to write the 7th question. Finish it fast. Finish it fast, children. Next. Shall I rub it? Otherwise, pause your video, then you can write. Next, what is the 7th question? Why? ARERSOME, some. Why are some? FAMILY, family. MEMBERS, members. UNABLE, able. TO2, HAVE, have. LUNCH, lunch. WITH, with. THE, the. FAMILY, family. Why are some family members unable to have lunch with the family? Why, children? Do you know what is the reason? Why? Because some family members, they will go out to work or study. So how can they eat their lunch? It is not possible. That is the reason they are unable to eat the lunch with the family members. So write down the answer. SOME, some. FAMILY, family. MEMBERS, some family members. GO, OUT, out. TO2, STUDY, study. OR, WORK, work. SO, so. THEY, they. ARE, they are. UNABLE, unable. TO2, HAVE, have. LUNCH, lunch. WITH, with. THE, the. FAMILY, family. Write down, children. Write down with good handwriting only. No hurry to write. Pause the video and then write down. Pause it and write down with good handwriting only. I will explain the answer. What is that question? Yes. Why are some family members unable to have lunch with the family? Why it is unable? Endukamma lunch andaru kalisi tinaleru? Yes. Why? Because some family members will go out to work or study. SOME, some. FAMILY, family. MEMBERS, members. GO, go. OUT, out. TO2, STUDY, study. O-R or W-O-R-K, work. S-O, so. T-H-E-Y, they. A-R-E, are, they are. U-N-A-B-L-E, unable. T-O-2, H-A-V-E, have, to have. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Some family members, that means maybe your father, mother will go out to study. You will go out to study. You will go to the school. Yes, there you have the lunch. Or work. Your parents will go to work. Your father. Some of the mothers also having work. Yes. So they are unable to have lunch with the family. Yes, children. That is the reason they are unable to have the lunch with the family. All of you understand these questions? Pause the video and then write down. So what is the homework for you? You have to note down these questions in your workbook. Yes, children, and write this 7th question only in your notes 2 times. You have to write this 7th question in your notes. First of all, fade it in the workbook. Pause the video, then write down. After that, you have to write this long answer in your notes for 2 times. That is the homework for you. Okay, children. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining questions. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.